This is Chris Kelly with your Peak Fitness Work Capacity Test. The Work Capacity Test is intended to help us scale your metabolic circuits for the metabolic conditioning portion of your workout. In order to do so, I'm going to give you 4 exercises. I want you to perform 8 reps of each exercise with each exercise performed back to back. Alright? What we're going to do is set a clock or a timer for 8 minutes and try to perform that circuit of 4 exercises as many times as you can in that period of time. The idea being, if you can get 3 rounds in 8 minutes during the first week, you're in pretty good shape. If you can get 6 or 7 rounds by week 3 or 4, you're in better shape because we've packed more work into the same amount of time. So, with this initial circuit, we just want to see what kind of shape you're currently in. With that said, the exercises are, you're going to need a pair of dumbbells here. You're going to start out with a dumbbell push press, and with the dumbbell push press, I'm just going to get my butt down to the bench, come up, press above my head. Down to the bench, press above my head. Now, if you have shoulder problems or there's some issue with your upper back, what I would recommend is to sub the overhead press with a push-up. All right, so I'm just going to come into a push-up position here. Same thing. You can also perform these push-ups on a step or a bench. And moving on to our next exercise, we have a dumbbell step-up. Right now, with a step-up, I'm going to put one leg on a bench here. Simply step up and down for 8 reps on each side. So I want 8 step-ups on one leg, okay, and then we're going to switch sides and perform 8 step-ups on the other. From here, we're going to drop into what is called a bent-over row. Okay, and with the bent-over row, I'm just coming onto the step here. I'm just alternating. All right, I want 8 rows on each side, so that will be 1, 1, 2, 2. And we are going to finish up with everyone's favorite exercise, a burpee. All right, now a burpee is a great total body exercise, and the way it is performed is I'm starting here in a push-up position. I'm going to hop to my feet, give it a little jump, and hop back out. Now with people for knee problems, what you can do is step out, okay, instead of hopping out, or perform the burpee on a higher surface, like a step or a bench here. So, for example, I've got a higher step here. This would make the angle a little less severe. I could hop up, same thing. And again, modify it as necessary. Just make a note of that in your testing chart. Again, what I want you to do is perform 8 reps of each exercise. Take all the rest that you need, but keep in mind we're trying to work hard here. So get as many rounds as you can in that period of time. Write it down in your workout chart. And if you felt nauseous, you couldn't get through the circuit, write that down as well. The more specific you are, the more specific we can be with what we give you. So that's your work capacity test, and that's it for me.